The upcoming BMC elections on January 15th have become a showcase of what many are calling family first politics. Now, as nominations have closed, it has emerged that at least 43 leaders have secured tickets for their family members. So, what we can analyze is that in this election, party leaders have leveraged their influence to secure tickets for children, spouses, siblings, and extended relatives. Critics argue that experience and seniority among long serving party workers often take a back seat to family ties. And among the prominent leaders involved are BJP MLA Rahul Narvekar, who has fielded 3 family members, Congress MLA Aslam Sheikh, who has also secured 3 tickets for his relatives, and former NCP MLA Nawab Malik, whose family members are similarly in the fray. So, who is fielding whom? Let's check out each party. First is Shiv Sena Shinde faction. In the upcoming BMC elections, several parties are fielding family members of senior leaders across Mumbai. From the Shiv Sena Shinde faction, Deepthi Vaikar, daughter of MP Ravindra Vaikar, is contesting Ward 73 in Andheri East, while MLA Dilip Lande's wife, Shaila, is contesting Ward 163. Ashok Patil's son Rupesh is running from Ward 113, and MLA Sada Sarvankar has fielded both his son Samadhan from Ward 194 and his daughter Priya from Ward 191. BJP. The BJP has also nominated several relatives, including 3 members of Rahul Narvekar's family: his brother Makaran from Ward 226, his sister-in-law Harshita from Ward 227, and his cousin Dr. Gauravi Shivalkar, also from Ward 227. Neil Somaiya, son of former MP Kirit Somaiya, won unopposed from Ward 107, while Praveen Darekar's brother Prakash is contesting Ward 3, and BJP Mumbai President Amit Satam's brother-in-law is running from Ward 68. Congress too has fielded multiple family members. Aslam Sheikh's son Haider from Ward 34, his sister Kamar Jahan Siddiqui from Ward 33, and his son-in-law Saif Ahmad Khan from Ward 62 in Andheri West. Former Minister Arif Naseem Khan's son Amir is contesting Ward 162 in Kurla, while Mohsin Haidar's son Sufyan and wife Meher are contesting Wards 65 and 66 respectively. Former MP Chandrakant Handore's daughter Pragyoti is running from Ward 140. Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction. In the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction, MLA Sanjay Deena Patil's daughter Rajul is contesting Ward 114. Former Minister Sunil Prabhu's son Ankit from Ward 54, and MLA Manoj Jamsudkar's wife Sonam from Ward 210. But what could be the political implications of this? Well, although BJP has historically opposed dynastic politics, this election shows a softer stance, approving tickets for some relatives while denying others, such as relatives of Ashish Shelar, Manisha Chaudhary, Vidya Thakur, Rajhans Singh, and Vijay Girkar. Therefore, as campaigning heats up, family-based candidacies have emerged as a defining feature of the BMC elections. Overall, the trend sparks debate about merit, internal party, democracy, and the future of urban governance in Mumbai. But what are your thoughts on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.